Good morning, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to another video. And today I'm on another journey in my town. It is 5:31 a.m. and oh my gosh, it has to be like 65 degrees out. It is so hot. And I'm walking over the bridge right now. And come with me on my journeys, on my walk, and we can chat and have fun. So come with me. Bye. Good morning, everybody. It's your girl Cindy again, and it's the AM again. And I'm just walking around town right now. Yesterday it reached like 100 degrees out. I did not go out during the afternoon, plus I had some errands to run and stuff like that, so I didn't go on my second walk. Today's probably going to be the same deal. It's supposed to be hot again today. After today, what's today? Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. It's supposed to cool off a little. Like it's going to be in the 80s or whatever, but still, it's better than 100. And so I'm going to walk all I can this morning. I want to do about 5 miles. So, so that way I don't have to go out again. So I'm going to try to take you on some spots that I haven't been walking on and stuff. So like and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so that way every time I upload a video, hopefully you'll get it. So I'm gonna take you around town. Huh? She's awful pretty. She looks like the neighbor's cat. Oh, she's a good kitty. Oh, come see me? Come see me. I won't hurt you. Awful sweet little cat right there. She got close, but she didn't actually come to me. That's all right. She was nervous. Hopefully you're in a nice cool spot and sipping on a margarita or something in the Bahamas or somewhere tropical. That's funny. So like and subscribe to my channel. Right now, I don't know what road I'm on. I couldn't tell you what road I'm on. I'm not familiar with these roads. So, someone actually lives here? There's a couple of houses that are... This is a nice house. This one, I can't believe someone actually lives here. I mean, this house looks worse than ours. That's crazy. Maybe they're fixing it up. And then we have this house that's, yikes. I don't even know if anyone lives in this house, but this house is all trashed. I don't know, they got a bandsaw in the front. The windows are all busted. There's a light on, so someone must live there. This is a okay neighborhood. iffy. Ball field. So I didn't go on the usual sunrise videos. I started right off on the vlog. I hope you guys don't mind. Ooh, I got this new matcha. It's just regular matcha. And I got it off Amazon. And I think I'll link it on my link tree. And oh my gosh, I'm excited to try that out. And if it comes out good, I will post it and show you how I make it and stuff. I'm planning on doing an iced matcha latte. And I'm gonna try, oh, the trends have been strawberry matcha, which is interesting. Yo, there's a dude coming with a tractor. Only in Maine. He looks like my age, the guy in there. Yo, there was supposed to be some people coming out of the school area this early. Why are they here this early? It's like 5:30 and junk. I'm not gonna blast them or anything. I'm not gonna put them on, but why is everyone here so early? It's like almost 6 o'clock. That's weird. What is today? Wednesday? This is the school. This is Howland School. I never went here. I went to Caribou High School, which is further up north. But I saw a skunk down there, so I don't know if I want to go down this early in the morning. But yeah. So I don't plan on going in the afternoon. So and I remember yesterday I told you about this road that goes pretty far, but it goes into like the wooded area. I feel gutsy today. I think I'm gonna go on this. This was Cross Street. I don't know what this street is called. Remember yesterday I took you to that part? Remember that house? I told you about that house right there. I'm gonna go a little further down this road. Oh man, I wanted to go to the point so bad because the sky was looking all fiery and the clouds looked all cool. But early in the morning, I don't know. This is like an old farmhouse style house. And it went up for sale, and it was so nice in that house on the river side for a couple pictures and stuff. Because I want to do a good 5, maybe 6 miles this morning. I want to do quite a bit of miles. Oh man. So yesterday I went to Lincoln, and I did get my Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee. I like downed that. I drank that so quick because it was so hot. Ordered some donuts too. My mother-in-law and my husband all wanted some. There is a blueberry donut, and you heat that a little bit in the microwave. Oh man, it tastes just like a blueberry pancake. This is a pretty house right here. Just a minute, I'll get closer. Oh, bugs. Yeah, this is a pretty house right here. A wraparound porch. Man, having these houses here is like jackpot right there because the river is like on the other side. And if you, I mean, you can clear it right down to the river. Some people did. Is always for sale. I don't know if it's like haunted or something, or it's just crappy in there, because every time somebody goes in there, like somebody buys it or rents it or whatever, and like month, they're gone again. And it's like, what is the deal with that house? I mean, it's right next to the school. It's in a great location. I mean, it's pretty quiet up in here. Oh, someone's got a wicked tiny. Look how tiny that trailer is. I remember seeing that car going around town. And I think it's an old duffer. I think it's an old duffer that lives there, which is good. Oh my gosh, can you imagine that it's like easy to heat? It's like nothing to heat. Somebody bought this lot right here. It's a nice lot. Stick a house right there. I think it might be a cat playing with something. Oh my God, look at him. Oh my gosh, he's playing. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. This makes my day. Oh. Oh my goodness. That little feline was having a blast playing with something over there. It was back there. There's a nice lot right there. Let's go over here, shall we? Oh yeah, check this out. Other side of the river, I see like these chairs, and someone's got a nice little spot right there. Check that out. And a canoe right there. Nice little spot. Camp there or something. They got like a camper and a nice little, there's some nice houses out here. There was a house for sale. I don't know where exactly it was, but it was for sale and it was nice inside. Oh my word. I think it was like 2 or 3 bedroom. It was super nice. See, this is the spot. The river's over there. I mean, look at that. The whole backyard is like... And then you got the river. It's pretty nice. Let's see. I've been walking 34 minutes and I've been walking 1.71 miles. 3,812 steps. Yeah. It's nice. This is a nice area though. This house right here is nice. I bet you all the windows are on the other side. I'll be lucky to see any animals here, like deer and stuff like that. Crocker Street. I think the nursing home's down that spot. Whoa. Hi. This is a nice lot. Oh my word. Because it's right on the water, I bet you it's a fortune. Look at this. This is nice. I'm only going to be here a second because I don't want people to freak out on me. Oh, this is so nice. Look, they got a kayak down here. That means someone owns it. Well, I'm gonna hurry up. Yep, this is the river. See how low the water is? And over there, the river road where I'm always going on. And it goes way up there. The field that I'm always going in, and then the river's on the other side, is like over there. It's probably right there. See that? How there's like a field in there? I think that's where the field is. That's the end of the road. Well, it goes further, but that's as far as I go. Looks like there's another nice spot down here. It's not as nice as that one, because that one's got like trees and all nice. There's a tree out. It's like stuck on that. It's cool though. Some inspiration, Mom. Yeah. So this is another spot. See those, you can see those things right there. They're more prominent. Where the river is so low, you can see them really good. You could stick a freaking house on that. Not really, but yo, the river's super low. You can actually see sand over there. Yo, I bet you there's glass over there. But the only problem is all of that prime area right here is owned by people. I'm over here. But over there, yeah. So that's a nice little spot right here. I hope everyone's doing well. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that way every time I upload a video, hopefully you'll get it. And what is that over there? It looks like a log or something. Yeah, it's so nice and quiet out here. I'm going to take you on the other side. Keeping an eye out for animals. It is gorgeous here. This is another spot that I love to go at. I'm only going to be here a second. Last time I come down here, there was geese all around here. I'll go down to the little, like little falls or something. All in the sand and junk. Yo, see that? All that stuff right there? Those are those little bugs. They're like little beetles. You see how creepy they are? Ooh, they're so creepy. You imagine one of them suckers getting on you? Ew, that's so creepy. So nice down here. All right, time to go. I'm done farting around over here. I don't want to step on those flowers. I'm done farting around over here. Yo, I go, oh, I'm coming in down here at the point. Pray for me. I don't know what I'm going to expect down here. So I get down here and I'm all like this. I'm all like, ooh. I'm looking around. I'm like, okay, I got my protection out. And I'm all coming down here. Guess what? All of a sudden, I look over and my camera is on like the main screen on my phone. I didn't even video that. What the? I'm gonna go back up River Road. What time is it? It's 6:52 and I've been walking for an hour and 15 minutes. Yo, I've only been walking 3.5 miles. I better get going. I'm gonna film once because this afternoon is gonna be hot again, so I'm going back up this trail. So this is a quick, oh gosh, I saw my shadow and friggin' freaked out. Jump scare. Yeah, so this is such a cool spot. So if you like these videos, like and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you'll get it. And I noticed that there's more people watching my videos, and I appreciate that tremendously, because, you know, I'm out here every day filming. Bye.